Okay, yeah, alright, guys. Yeah, good evening. Yeah, good evening to everybody. I just want to do a trade recap on trades I basically took today. Yeah, so let's go straight to the video. Some of my trades are still on, but I'll just give you a bunch of how my day went, the trades I took. I didn't really take much trade today because my day was kind of extremely hectic and I really had time for my phone. And yeah, I missed some, but I took some, but some of my trades are still running, like I said. Yeah, network is kind of bad currently. Okay, so network is bad. Yeah, so this right here is a trade I'm on currently now. I'll show you. Yeah, this trade here. So this is what I'm actually on currently, but if you can see this buy setup right here, it's just the reason of the backtesting. I'm actually backtesting a strategy. Let me shrink so you guys can see it. So I'm actually currently backtesting. So that's why you can see a lot of sell and buy orders right here. So I was backtesting the strategy, so that was why. So you can just ignore that. So today, my first setup for the day, I would have actually taken this trade, yes, but today is 26 now. Yeah, 26. Yeah, this trade, yeah, I don't know. Let me mark out this one here. I kind of deleted it this evening. Yeah. So price already executed this demand zone right here. So zooming out from it was from this side, this region here. So price already mitigated it. So but then I think I was on our week. So I caught the trade around this region, but I didn't take this trade because I'm not the type that runs after trade. So I saw it around here, so you can see that's where my entry was. But then it was not giving me a good risk to reward. So if probably I was looking for a 1-to-1, 1.3, I would have been out of the trade. But then I like to enter from my zone. Where I entered from my zone, I've gotten a 2 to 1 hour. And then 5 happens. Yeah, so that was the first trade I would have taken this morning. But I'm not the kind of person that this is just a missed entry. So I missed my entry here. So, and this was my next demand zone. So by the way, I think this was like on 5 minutes or so. So I just want to give a run through here. So this was my next setup here. So it was just a 2 hour. So that was all. Did I take this trade? I don't think so. Yeah, I did not take this trade, but I already set the order here on TradingView. That's one thing. If you're using TradingView and MetaTrader 5, if probably already I was using a broker that was in partnership with TradingView, I actually taking this trade, but then I think I was sleeping when this whole trade played out. And yeah, so this is a backtesting order, so it's not valid. So the valid one that I took next was, so it's called the markets actually started giving a downtrend. So let me delete this. Yeah, I think let me even delete that. So delete. So Mario was already giving me this downtrend. So I looked at it and mapped out. So I took this on a 5 minute time frame, yeah. So if I can remember vividly, so I took off this supply zone. There was a supply zone on the 5 minute time frame around there. So I took that trade. So it's still running currently, yeah. So how's that about that? Trade on B2C today. Amount today was online. Will I say I was not really, I didn't really take the thing serious. Yeah, you can see right here. This section. That's why you need to look out for liquidity graphs. Liquidity sweep when you are trading supply and demand is very, very important. Like, you need to be careful. So if probably I didn't take this trade anyways though, but I just marked out my zone here. So, and I noticed on the 5-minute time frame there was a 5-minute supply zone around here. So that's how I mapped out. Well, I think price reacted off that level and plunged down. So yeah, we have both demand and we have both supply. So anyway, it gets to first and price reacts off each of these levels. Anyone I would be taking price already reacted off this demand zone already, right here. Of this demand zone. So I can't enter any buy trade, any buy setup again. So I'll just wait for it to get to this supply zone. And if it's going to react off that level, yeah. So that'll be all for BTC USD. So Euro USD, I think I took a trade on Euro USD. Yeah. So my trade on Euro USD, I think I should have closed this trade. But me, I was looking for a 3 hour, or like I was targeting the next high, which was the London high. So I was targeting that high. But if probably I've taken it to 2-1, I would have been out of the trade. But I still believe my setup. I'm expecting price to take out that London high for rallying back. So this is the price is currently tapping that demand zone. I might want to probably take a buy on that. Let me go to the 5-minute time frame. Okay, 5 minutes. So I want to see if I can set an alert around this level here. So, and funny enough, I did not take, my profit was actually running to deal, and I did not take, what's going on? I did not take partials, because I like to take partials. Okay. Yeah, I don't know, I think it's the network though. Well, anyways, I don't know, I think it's the network, I don't know what's going on. I did not take partials because price is like very, very, very close to my TP, but then we'll move. Let me try and see if I can. I think I should have. Do I have any listing here? Nope. So I'm waiting for price to break this high. If I can. Okay, it's already there. That's not your problem. I don't know, I've noticed TradingView has been lagging for a while now. I think it's like last week or something. On this point, it has been lagging since like last week, and I don't know what's going on. So let's go to GBP USD. I think I took a trade on GBP USD. I'm not even sure. So there has been one kind for me. Yep. Yeah, I think probably I got stopped out. I think I got stopped out here. Well, market is still rallying back to I intended. So I'm expecting market to get to this region before it goes back. But then, yeah, if you look right here, price came out of this demand zone here, so got just cypress, so I could not even take any trade off there. So if you look to your left, there was another valid demand zone that's reacted off from that side. But then it got to the supply area, and I was thinking price was going to react from there. But then I think that was the only losing trade I had today. Yeah, I think that was the only losing trade. So GPY. So only on GPY is still running. So only on XAUSD, I think I had like 3 setups today and I missed 2. So I'm currently on I'm currently on I'm currently on the last setup now, so I'm expecting that to go in my direction. And if it was a loss, I think I would have even had like 2 win and 1 losses, but then it is what it is. So this was for GBP GPO. I took it off a demand zone, so it was actually like close. Now when I set my targets for supply and demand, I just target maybe the next high or the next low that I can actually see. So I think that's that about that. And the last one that was USD. No, I think I didn't have any trades there. So just consolidation also. There's no clear direction yet. So this was the supply zone I marked out. So price was reacting off that level, but it was just giving consolidation. You can see right here, it's breaking above that level now. So that consolidation means price is actually gathering liquidity. Its price is to eventually come out to take this high. So you can see I already set my alerts around this region here. So I'm expecting price to get there. So that will be all for tonight. That will be all the recap for tonight. Yep. Stay blessed. See you again tomorrow. Bye.